Welcome to our guide on how to delete search suggestions on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open Twitter on your PC and locate the search box in the top right corner of your homepage. Click on the search box to access a list of your recent searches, displaying search suggestions that you may want to remove. Hover over the search suggestion you wish to delete, and you will see an X symbol appear next to it. Click on the X symbol to delete the search suggestion from your list. If you want to clear all search results and suggestions, simply click on Clear All to remove all search history from your Twitter account. Once you have deleted the search suggestions, you no longer need or cleared all results. You are all set. Your search history has been successfully managed. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to delete search suggestions on Twitter using your PC. Keep your search history clean and relevant by removing unwanted suggestions and clearing your search results periodically. Enjoy a streamlined and personalized search experience on Twitter by managing your search suggestions effectively.